It's like it's air trying to get out or in. It smells nothing but gas. If you touch it, you can feel the air.